An interactive dashboard provides the opportunity for a user to see all of their key information in a single screen, all laid out as they would wish. Now here I'm going to add into a simple custom dashboard a calendar gadget, and I need to select therefore create gadget, and I can select the calendar from the list of gadgets, and I need to provide a name and then click finish. The new gadget drops into the default position within the dashboard and needs to be dragged into a fresh location, and I need to change the filtering to show work that's pending, and then drag out the display, and I can see that I can scroll through the daily work. The gadget allows quick tasks to be created and scheduled within the day, and a pop-up calendar allows the day to be viewed when changed. So if I want to, I can use the calendar to check the schedule for any items of work direct from the dashboard.